I have right next to me a beautiful 370Z where we're installing a wide body project to it. Let's go ahead and dive into all the details, show you what we added on this kit, and on top of that, our client is coming in today to approve and authorize everything before we go ahead and paint the fenders.
Tag this thing up, man.
Yeah, tag it up.
Tag it up.
Really
Tag
good,
it up.
huh? So you got the rear, as you can see, all mocked up, ready to go with everything being cut. And then going over to the front, I want you to know also what we did for the front. There was a big old gap in the actual factory. We added actually material for you. We made it more thicker for you. There was a big old gap from right here to here. All this was added by us. And then on top of that was over here as well. All this was also added, so when the kit was given, see that little, that was a big old space. So, and yeah, we gave you a nice, you know, so just to make sure, exactly, yeah, so you got that whole, you know, big look to it in a way. See where we're gonna stand. But it looks really nice. The kit is good. I was just a little bit tiny things, you know, there and there. And then we added a little bit on the back too. That little tiny bit where it matters to us, brother, you know, we don't want that small gap on both sides. We added it for you to make sure we give you that flush finish to our best ability. You know, the cool thing is we're doing right now all the dirty work before we prep it and paint it. That's exactly what we want to give you to make sure everything's good to go. Alright guys, we are minutes away from revealing this to Patrick. I am super excited to see his reaction, with first being the 370Z fully wide-bodied with Addict USA. Alright guys, Patrick is outside our HQ right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab him for you guys. Let's go ahead and get him in there. He's super excited. This thing has been with us for a little bit, and for him to let us work comfortably, even though we got so much work going on. Again, thank you, Patrick. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get Patrick, and I'll be right back. Let's go. All right, let's check this baby out, man.
That's fucking sick. It's my gas cap.
Everything, right?
Damn, it's so flushed.
Dude, it's so much better than when it was for, you know, obviously when you saw it without being painted. Going over to this side. I think it's clean.
It's clean.
Simple. Yeah, this looks dope. If you want to come look at it this way, just the whole just whiteness on it with the paint. Man, this thing is crazy good. Extremely happy with the fillings that we did for you. As you can see, also that was painted. All this with a big old gap, so we filled that up for you with material. Again, I cleaned up a wing around here in the back, so everything on point with details. Again, 1 wing, 1 inch wheel adapters in the front, 2 inches in the back. That's the best that I can. That's like literally. Okay, cool. That's the best. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So, I think this color with carbon fiber would be amazing. Yes. So I got awesome hoods. I got the whole trunk. I got doors. We got so much for you that we can do. That's carbon and contrast. Yeah.
I can't even recognize. I don't even.
It's like yeah, like it's not.
This is my car.
Yeah,
like,
this is your car, bro.
Geez.
This thing it is pretty dope. So. We started with this, remember? Always started with the diffuser, and then we're here with a big wide body project fully completed.
Yeah, that's freaking badass, man.
Yeah, I love this thing, honestly.
You need to take this thing out to your shows.
Yes,
this
is a must. Yes.